Linking to the previous video, we are talking about the columns and the colors variations that we have. I'm continuing from there only. Okay. This is the scheme name which will be uploaded through bulk upload. User can add any abbreviations of the scheme, so that it will be helpful for the users to map this with the scheme. Here we go. Here we have only the regular schemes. They can map easily. Once they will map, there is 4 or 5 types of equity type, right? So those, yeah, asset types will be shown here. Once they will map it, automatically it will be coming. Next is fund house. It will be also automatically coming based on that scheme. And there is also a fund house. It will also be coming from the selection of the scheme. These three values will be coming automatically. This will be also be coming automatically. This is one exit load and TER value, but this is denoted as a different color because this can be edited. This value can be edited uh, as it is coming from the backend logic, backend data, but it can be also editable. From there, you can see completely different. Uh, what I can say is it's a color. It's the same like a site before. You can see the same color. What is this? This is basically you can add through your own from there. Masterstroke default will give you this option, but you can add through your own. AMC sharing, first year trail. First year trail, this column cannot be this column and scheme name. These two columns, if we are not selecting, this whole list will not be published, right? There is also second year trail, AMC sharing, and all the fields we have the validation. I am showing you one by one. So exit load TR is clear. Now first year trail, user will give the inputs. This value will not be coming from the backend. These values will not be coming from the backend. Okay. This is the first year trail, second year trail, AMC sharing. So this is also a percentage value. You can see. From there only you can change the text of the fields. But first year trail you cannot change the text. Okay. Second year trail, you can put any value here. This is basically a decimal value. All the values which will be showing here will be up to 2 decimal. Okay. This is also MC sharing. From there, preferred for SIP, this is a selection box. You can select yes, no, or NA. Okay. So this is basically a drop down. This field is also a drop down, and this field is also a drop down. So once your editing is done, there will be option to save it. You can save it from there. So now I am assuming that I am in a view mode. Okay. Now let's say suppose this is my 3 data. So now I'm in a view mode. So once I will go in a view mode, I will be able to. Okay, sorry, I need to log in. Once I will go in a view mode, see I have clicked date. So MF category wise performance, date only, all the schemes are showing here. If I'll select equity, so MF category wise performance, all the equity category and there you can see the all the plans are regular, and they're 1 month, 3 months, 1 month, 1 day, 3 months, 1 year, 3 year, 5 years data will be shown here. Okay. If I select fund category, so you can see equity sectorial fund category. Actually, MF category wise scheme performance will be shown here. So this is the MF category wise performance. This is MF category wise scheme performance. And what does it mean? Fund house. Fund house, there is no click event, right? So these are the clickable options that we have in the view mode. Okay. So there are lots of functionality. I'm showing you one by one. So first you can drag and drop, you can sort, and we have an option to create any column. It may be with validation, it may be a it may be a numeric field, or it may be a text field. Not only that, based on that rows also, you can create a new row. You cannot see it from there. I'm showing you how to see. So in the bottom, if you click this, you can see the same columns is showing here. Okay, and you can delete it anytime. You can also drag and drop any of the values from here, right? So you can also drag and drop columns. You can also drag and drop the rows as well. So here is lots of functionality. I'm coming one by one. So first of all, this is a global search. Any data that has been given within the cells, it can be searched from there. Okay. So those are the actions. So what actions that we can take? So first actions, import the data that I have shown in the previous video. So second option is select to delete the row. So how to delete the row? So first of all, you can delete the row by hovering it. You can delete it the single one. Okay. Here I have also given, but unfortunately these two are not actually deletable. This can be this is not deletable, this is not deletable. But for example, I have shown that these 3 or 4 columns cannot be deletable. You can hide it once you hover it. You can see once you hover it, if you want to there is two options actually, one to hide, one to delete. So if you want to hide it, so it will be hidden one by one. On hover, there is the option to hide. If you click hide, it will be hidden. If you, on the hovering of the options, if you want to delete, it will be deletable. But this delete option will be only applicable for those columns which are not mandatory. So this options is not mandatory. So these options, like those can be deleted. Like you can delete it and you can fill it by your own, right? But as I am showing you that scheme mapping, you cannot delete it. Asset type, fund category, fund house, those can be hidden but cannot be deleted. Exit load and exit TR, these two values you can edit it, you can hide it also, but you can delete it. From first year also, you cannot delete it or hide it. You can hide it, but you cannot delete it. From the second year onwards, all the columns can be deleted or hidden. You can set it by your own, that is your preferences. So now I am telling you how to freeze it. So these are one option. You can hide it or delete it. Now if you wish to bulk delete row, so once you will select the rows, let's say suppose I don't want to have these rows. Once I will delete it, it will be deleted. So, and also if you wish to reset this option, like escape, you can escape from there. So this is the delete column option. So here is also option to delete. Obviously these two columns cannot be deleted because other options can be deleted, but scheme name and first year trail, without that you cannot publish it, so you cannot delete it. So it will be deleted. How to hide the rows? For hiding the rows, same thing. For the bulk hide, you want to select the rows, and if you click on the hide option, it will be hidden. uh, how to hide the columns? So same concept. If you wish to hide some columns, then you can hide it. Okay. So now we have deleted it and we have hidden it. So after hiding it, again we should have the option to unhide it. So uh, you will see the unhide options, row 3, row 5, row 7, whatever. So how to see this? Once you will auto collapse it, you can see all the column datas and things are here. So this is the row 3, unhide. Okay, proceed. It will be unhided. The row 1. Next is the show hidden columns. So these are the columns. With the column indexing we have also the validations. So what is that? Fund house, AMC holding, those can be hidden. So if you wish to uncheck it and unhide it, it will be unhidden. So and also you can save the list. Save, this is a save as option. You can save the list as well at any point of time. Obviously once you will click it here and you will type it here something, so obviously it will be saved, auto saved. But we have also a save as option. Any point of time, if you want to have the snapshot of that, you can do that. So I'm coming one by one. So now this is the selection for publishing this file. So let's say suppose I want to publish everything. So once I will click it, everything will be selected, and once I will publish it, I will be having two options. First, publish the selected data. Whatever data I have selected, it will be published. But I don't want to have all the data at a single time in my website, whitelisting website. So first I am showing you how to, okay. So one thing I have missed, just a second. So here there is an option of GST. So if you by default it will be on, all inputs should be with GST. Okay. So if it will be on, let's say suppose you have entered one value here. Okay. Let's suppose you have entered 1.567. Okay. So this value you have entered, and after that, after you like release that input field, it will be auto calculated with GST. Means this plus this into 18%. If it is on, if it is off, then whatever you will type here, it will be shown here. Now again, I want to publish this list. So I am selecting selected to publish data. When you proceed, so you have two options, with GST, without GST. So if it is with GST, then you can click with GST, and without GST, this GST will not be calculated here. With GST, so this is the preview page. Like before publishing that, how it will be looking like, this will be shown here. So as we can see, there is three values: no, yes, and NA. So NA will be showing like this, no like cross, and yes like tick. And also I have for the demo purpose, I have given one extra column, which is basically a text field or text area, and you can see the three in two lines it is splitting, and on hover the detail will be shown. So you can also edit the scheme list, the scheme name, sorry, the whitelisting name. Here is an option for adding the disclaimer. So there is three functionality. So by default it will be checked. Master stroke, in the backend there will be a setting to set their disclaimer. It is the default disclaimer. So user don't want to show this, so they will make it off. If they will opt it, then they will be having option to edit it. While editing, the status will be showing as editing. Once you will click done, it will be saved. There is also additional disclosure. So this will also be given by masterstroke admin. So if they wish to edit it, they can edit it. Same functionality as before. So this is basically a link of SID or these things. So the user will be having the option to edit it, these links, and also they can opt it, like I don't need all. Okay, so I need these three SIDs in my website. So you can choose as customize as you like, and once you will publish it. So this is the look and feel of the website. So it is pretty similar as preview, but we have given the branding options, user branding, as you can see. This is the MFD's name, MFD's phone number, email address, if they are MFI registered distributor or not, their company name, their company email, their company, all the things are dynamic. You can change it from the display settings, and those are two brand colors. And the name is commission disclosure. This is a static name. Every time it will be appearing like this. No need to show here any file name. So this is the display picture on the background. You can set it out, and this is the company logo, that branding we have. So on hover, the effect is there. Okay, and if you wish to edit it from there, you can also edit it. But if you share the link with your customers, like MFD, so MFD's profiling will be shown here like this. So this is one kind of sharing. This is one kind of publishing the data. We have four, as I have mentioned. So I am showing you the second one, publish data along with filter. If you proceed, so again this option will be coming. Sorry, again I am showing you. So once you will select the columns, you want to publish it, filter it with data. So on that scenario, just a minute please. So I'm showing you just one thing. So this is the view page, right? So in the view page, whatever AMCs you have selected will be shown here, and all the links are there. On click, they will be redirected into the respective websites, as like Figma does. So this previous one was the setting one. Previous one was the setting one. This is the setting one, and whatever you have set, that the link will be shown like this. Think up to that it's pretty clear. So again I am showing you how to do with filter. So what is the publish the option with filter, I am telling you. So whatever columns I will be selecting, whatever schemes, whatever informations I will be selecting, it will be shown in the website, but not at a once. It will be shown as a filter. So you can see the filter, asset type. There is a lots of asset types, AMC name or fund house name, whatever they will select it from there. So there will not be any custom options. Sorry, it was coming from the common settings. It will not be there custom. The fund category one is also showing here. By selecting that, by selecting 3 or 4 options, if you feel first, no data will be found here. If you filter it out, then you can see the one, the data one. They can see through filter. Is a go option actually. The disclosure settings on website, additional disclosure, and same things are showing here. This is the second type of publishing the data, right? Now I am coming to the third type. So what is the third type? Third type is basically user don't have any okay, so first complete it, the first complete this functionalities also. So you can upload it the data I have shown you in the previous video. You can filter it out. This thing I haven't shown, I will show you. So this is the report part. What is the report? Report is basically, if you want to see master stroke reports from this whitelisting site, you can, and the default report will be lump sum performance. So if you select go, okay, again I have to log in. See, fund performance will be showing here. The lump sum performance will be showing here based on the schemes. We have also some other options like SIP performance. If you select go, then whatever schemes will be having, based on that, multiple schemes obviously, based on that it will be shown here. If you select scheme comparison, obviously you can select up to 5 or 6. Okay, 5 or 6 schemes. We have a validation. I'm also showing you in the report. While you are showing the report, you will be having the options to select how much data you can use for this report. Yes. So again I'm demonstrating you. So this will be the default one. For the MF comparison, you can select up to 4 schemes to do the MF comparison. For the MF portfolio, you can select up to 1 scheme at once. For the scheme snapshot, you can see 5 schemes at once. For the lump sum performance, you can select 50 schemes at once. For SIP performance, you can select 50 schemes at once. For the portfolio overlap, you can select 50 schemes at once. For the rolling return, you can select 5 schemes at once. For the category wise, scheme wise, you can select 50 schemes at once. And this is the option. So while you will be having this, so there will be a checkbox in the left. I can show you, just a minute. Just like this, you will be having the options in the side. Whatever schemes you will be selecting, based on that you can filter it the report. You can see the report, and there is a reset option. If you reset it, the option will be gone. So like that, there will be just a selection option. Through that, you can filter it out. Like you can see the reports, and those are the reports. Those are basically whatever schemes you will be selecting based on the numbers. You will be redirecting with the website. In our websites, all links are given. Those if you click on the go, you can see all the reports from here. See, rolling return we have category wise, scheme wise. You can see the report based on the selection of the schemes, right? Okay, so I have explained all the features like actions, selections, upload, showing report, filter, and start. So in my next video, I will be explaining. I have explained 2 methods to publish the report. I will be explaining another 2 methods to publish the report. Thank you.